Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto-off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.